This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Yes, Santosh, Akhila, Raj, are you guys are able to create the account or not?
Yes, we are able to create the account.
Yes, I
Okay.
already have the account.
Okay, no problem. Well and good. Raj, how about you?
Yes, yes.
You have created, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then
Yes, I
fine.
created.
Okay, fine. So let me quickly create now. Today's session is second session. Okay, session 2. And just so we need to question ourselves. What are the things today? Like I told you, like difference between trial versions. Any point platform. And let me share my screen. Okay. Any point platform, you can have the account in 2 ways. My my voice is clear and my voice is clear, right?
Some
Then
background. We are getting some background noise.
okay, okay.
Yes, it's breaking actually.
Let me do it. Fine now? Is it clear? I think no noise from my end.
It is clear, Nitya.
So any platforms are of two types. One is trial version, another thing is enterprise version. So you guys are saying like you have created trial version, right? Few might be knowing it, few might not be knowing it, right? So what do you know? Akila, I think you know it, right? So I'm not saying you know it, but what do you know on trial account? How it differs from enterprise edition?
It gets expired after 1 month, I guess.
Okay,
30
that is
days.
one point.
Mm.
What is
Mm.
one point? Yes, that is true. Whatever the trial version you are creating, that trial version will be that account will be expired in 30 days. Will expire in
And it supports only local instances.
instances means
I mean, locally it can support that.
hmm, not locally. Yeah, it will support for cloud applications also. We can deploy. There is no harm. Okay, but most of the
Okay.
actually whatever the features we will be getting with enterprise, that we will be missing. Okay, so what are those features and what are those things we will discuss in detail. Okay, so it will expire in 30 days, that is true. So you may get doubt after expiring in 30 days, then how about the applications which we have deployed, and what I mean, how we can retain that type of questions will be there with you. Okay, so yes, first let me differentiate and then we will see one by each and one by one we will be saying it. This is not licensed. Okay, so this is not a licensed version. Not licensed in the sense we are creating with our own Gmail account, and we are not paying anything, and we are using 30 days trial. But coming to the enterprise edition, it will be like licensed. Definitely we need to. Okay, my voice is breaking. Okay, is it fine now? My mic is very near to me now. Is it fine? Fine, right? Okay.
Yeah, it is
This
better.
one, yeah, this one is licensed. So licensed in the sense we have to pay it. Now tell me one thing. We are saying like it is licensed. So if we are going to take, so for example, this is real-time version. Definitely, we are
Yes.
paying in the sense. Again, it is breaking. Okay,
Yeah,
1
in
second.
and out. Probably you need to.
Yes, your voice is not clear.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me bring another headset. Okay, 1 second.
Oh.
Is it okay now? Hello.
Yes, it is better.
Yes, sir.
It's better or it's clear?
Yeah, it is clear.
It's clear. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So I am saying it is licensed version, right? Licensed version, it is real time. Definitely, this will be taken by some companies only. Okay, for example, so in the real time, when we join the organization, when you have assigned to the MuleSoft project, then definitely credentials and everything will be given to you. But at the background, how organization will pay to them, how the organization will take the license, that we need to understand. Okay, for example, you are working for any organization like IBM or anything. Okay, so what happens is in the trial version, normally Gmail we will do it, and yeah, we can do like small minor applications, we will be doing it. Now this organization has taken the license. Okay, so license in the sense they paid whatever the amount they are asking. Okay, so now IBM got an organizational level account. Okay, so in the IBM I have 10 projects, 10 new projects. Okay, at organization level we have 10 projects. Okay, so how these 10 projects will be using this account? Does anyone have still the same issue you are facing?
Yes,
Okay, yesterday how it was, actually I was connected from mobile, so for audio, yesterday how it is?
it was
It's
good
nice, right?
yesterday.
Yesterday it's good,
Yeah.
na? Okay, let me connect from mobile then. Okay, audio I will connect from mobile, that will be better I think. From system it is giving some issues it seems. From mobile, I'm just reconnecting only. Okay. Okay, tomorrow onwards from mobile only, for audio I will connect. It's waste of time otherwise. I guess now it is free. Now it is okay, I guess.
Yes, it's good now.
It's clear now. I have connected from mobile.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
it
it's
is.
clear.
Yeah.
Okay, from tomorrow onwards, audio I will connect from here only. Screen sharing I will do from the system. Okay. Okay, fine. Now in the organization, we have 10 projects. Now then how this account will be used? How this account will be used? Does anyone have idea? So in the trial version, only you are the solo person. So you alone will be doing it. That is fine. That is fine. You alone can do it. But how about at organization level?
They sell the license in the block, like a block wise, how they are.
Okay. Okay. So what will happen is like at the organization level, these people will be creating one account. So we can say like this fellow is a super user. Okay. Okay. This fellow is this account is super user. Then what this super user will do is super user in the IBM itself we have 10 different projects. One is defense, one is something else, one is like healthcare, one is like, so all those 10 users this fellow will be creating, and independently for each project one along with admin access. Why? Because see in one project again 5 members will be there. For that 5 members again these people has to give access. Am I correct? 10 projects, 10 files are 50 users. So what first they will do, this super user what they will do is like 10 accounts it will create for 10 projects, and these 10 users are something like admin. They can give access to their child, I mean to their team members. Okay, so admin access they will be providing, and admin access, and each like independent user they will be logging in with their account, and they can able to give access to their project members. Are you guys are clear? You should understand the real time, right?
Now
What
the
happens?
project number, right? Suppose 100 project members is there. This 10
Hmm.
admin members, like they are giving in the block, right? One super user. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
in the block, like you have maximum 10 users and 10 projects, right? Only 10 users you have, like after that
No,
admin
no.
rights.
Each user admin rights we are giving na, so that each fellow can give any number of people, right? So now you are logging in. See, IBM is a super user. He has
Mm-hmm.
given access like with admin access one account. It will be given to one account. So in your
Mm-hmm.
organization 10 accounts are there. To one account head they will be giving. What that account head will do? That account head can able to accommodate what are the team members. Admin rights will be there, right? So they can add users internally. Even super user can add it, but hierarchy they will maintain na.
But
Got it?
the admin user, if we are adding more users, it's going to be additional licenses, right?
Definitely. See, when it goes like, for additional license I will tell you. Okay, so first this you have understood, right? At least
Yeah.
I mean at higher level you got the point how it happens, right? So when we will go for extra license, whether it is user based or space based, I will discuss that. Okay, got it?
Yeah, yes, Mithun.
Yeah. So what happens is, let me tell you. So it does not depend. So you may get doubt. See, 100 users or 1000 users, whatever the users are, it does not depend on users head count. Okay, it does not depend. It depends upon the space which we are using. Space. So at super user, at higher level, what happens is like they will give some space. For example, 10 GB they have given. Okay, 10 GB space for one license they have given 10 GB space. So this 10 GB space needs to be segregated in between the projects. Okay, so for the 10 accounts they have to take, I am taking as an example for 10. Okay, let me consider like 5 projects. So 5 means each project will get 2 GB space. Okay, 5 projects. So each project if they take equally, it will be something like 2 GB. Okay, after 2 GB what happens is like if any additional space is required, then definitely we have to pay for it. We have to take extra charge for space. So in MuleSoft, it does not depend on user's head count. It depends upon the space which we are using. So for one license, they will allocate some space. If the space is increasing, then we have to pay for it. Okay, so normally what happens is like, okay, for each project it is 2 GB, and this 2 GB we have to, that project members has to use very efficiently. Okay, so for one project it is only 2 GB. So you know, like environments, right? We know everybody has worked in real time, right? Nobody is like fresher here. Akila, Santosh, Raz, Gopi, Kiran, everybody is from real time only, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay, so fine. So 2 GB space they have given. You know the environments, right? Development environment will be there. UAT environment will be there. Production, pre-prod, right? Different
Yes.
environments will be there. Yes. So what happens is like this 2 GB only we have to segregate for those environments as well. For development, if you are using like 0.5, okay, 0.5 you can segregate. Okay, and for QA you need more space. You are feeling more space. Like QA you are assigning 1 GB. Okay, it is also like 0.5 we can say. 0.5 space we can allocate. And production, definitely for production what we will do, normally now big space only we will keep, right? Why? Because in production the applications may increase, right? So 1 GB we will keep. So and again we are feeling like production is expecting some more space, again it is expecting some like 200 MB. Then what we need to do, we have to decrease somewhere. In a development environment we will be decreasing it, and here again we will be increasing it. Like that in real time what happens is like that variation will be managed, the space will be managed, and unwanted applications from the dev environment we will be undeploying it. So still if we need more space, then we don't have any other option other than buying the space. Okay, this is how it works at the background. The background music will be like this. Here we are only simply we are going with trial version, and we are not bothering about the space and anything. But in the real, this is the real time. So see, you may get doubt then how the space will be decreased, how we have to decrease the space. See, when we for this environment we have allocated, decreasing the space means what is the meaning of decreasing the space? Anyone? Anyone? Decreasing the space means what? So in your system, if you are facing
Yeah, you are going
any
to remove some data, right? Decreasing the
in
space.
the,
Yeah,
so but in any point platform what you will do?
yeah, you have to explain us.
That is what. So it is nothing but cleaning up in the sense dev environment means lot of POCs, lot of things we will be doing it, right? So what we have to do is some unwanted stuff. For example, what we will do, so what in our real time what we are doing is okay, in development environment we will deploy it, we will test it, and it goes to QA, the users will test, and again it will move to production. After moving to the production, if we feel like extra space is required, immediately what we will do, we will stop that application in dev environment. Okay, we will stop it. After stopping, what happens is like the space will be reduced. The space will be, when the application is not running, what happens is the space will automatically suppress. So that space again we will try to increase in another environment. That is how we are doing in our organization. In our organization we are following. So in so many like other organizations it is their flexibility, they will be undeploying it. Okay, they feel like this application is not required, then they will undeploy it. Again, whenever it is required, they will deploy. So what most of the time we will try to use the allocated space only. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say. Why I am stressing this point is I have worked even in SOVA as well. In SOVA, OSB, other middleware tools also have worked. There this point is not there, to be frank. Only cleaning up normally we will be doing it, that's all. In SOVA, if you see, the space issue not at all will be there. Any number of applications we can deploy. That is not with respect to the space. Okay, other middleware tools, it does not depend on space, but especially this MuleSoft will depend on space. Okay, I think you got the point. So this is how it works in real time.
This
So
cloud space.
Yeah, CloudFit, when we have taken the license, that license at organization, that super user level, they will be allocating, and this fellow, when they are allocating to the projects, this fellow will take care like assigning that space.
Okay.
Okay, so see, some projects will be very small. They don't need even 1 GB. So for them, they will like okay, 1 GB they will assign. The projects, if we feel like the heavy project, any hundreds of APIs are there. There we need to have 4 GB. So that actually, that architect level, they will be designing, and this is the backend story. This is the background music. Actually, nobody knows it. So we will be involving here at that level. So I am discussing with you. But normally when a project is assigned to you guys, normally you will just create it and you will deploy. That's all, right? You won't bother how we are doing it. If you feel like space is less, simply they will say undeploy it. But at the background, this is how they will be doing it. Okay.
So once your organization get this enterprise level license, they usually tell them this is the amount of the space we need.
No. By default, see, when you're taking a license, means default space will be there. No? For any user,
What is the
the
default
default's like
space?
100 GB or like that. Yes, that only by the terms and conditions itself, they will specify. Okay. So that is how it works actually. So almost like this is, see, really, I feel some congested in this area. See, every time we have to clean up, every time we have to check the space, we have to just we have to like shut down the application. Sometimes like we feel really for when we are working in project, we feel sometimes like irritating. So this is personally I feel that, but yes, every time we need
For,
to check.
That is
okay,
kind
so
of thing,
for
right? Like
example,
a workflow.
Hmm? For example,
my project is given 2 GB space. Once that is
hmm,
full, how that happens? My project will crash or it will be automatically increased
your
or it will be.
application will not, no, nothing will happen. Your application will not work, and you will bang your head why it is not getting deployed, why it is why is it is on air. Then you will start thinking.
Hmm.
Nothing will happen. See, if the space is not there, what is going to happen? It will not deploy. Simply, it will not work, na.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So now interview scenario. Okay. So interview scenario. So if I am the interviewer, I am going to ask this type of question. So what I'll try to say is like, okay, when application is there, you will be getting out of memory. You have deployed. You have deployed one application, one mule application. The integration is in between SAP and, see, if I am the interviewer, I am going to ask this type of question. But you never know I am asking on any point platform. That you will understand at application level, you guys will be thinking. Like .NET application is there, one API is there. That API I have deployed. Okay, I have deployed to prod, and suddenly to that API, whatever the API, for example, that API name is some defense API, some name I will be keeping it. Defense API, I have kept the name as defense API. And now this defense API is not able to serve the requests. So suddenly the traffic got increased. Traffic in the sense to this API. Increasing the traffic is nothing but in Amazon, in Dasara time you will be seeing it. Crores of people will be placing the requests. Okay. Sometimes some people may not be receiving the message like order has placed. It will not show anything. It tells like it will take 15 minutes to reflect. It takes 20 minutes to reflect. It just shows that message, but it will not serve the request. It takes some time. That is the meaning of traffic. So when like lakhs of requests has came to this API, and it is not able to serve, it is not able to give the output to the user. So what might be the issue? That is one question I will be asking. Okay, what might be the issue? That is one question. Issue. And after some time, some support guy has identified it is saying out of memory. That API, in that API, if he is reading the logs, it is saying it is out of memory. So somewhere he's seeing the messages like out of memory. Then what is the problem? What is the solution? What is the fix for it? So this question, so from interview stand, this type of questions will fall. Then the answer is C. The space has increased. The space, whatever the space that was, so the defense API was deployed. So while deploying, I have taken only 0.1 vCore. So normally we will be having our shoe size, we will be having our like any size. If you buy some your garments as well, you will be taking like 46 or 42 or 40. Some size you will be selecting, right? In the same way, while deploying the application, I will be thinking like, okay, the traffic will be less for this application. So as per requirement, as per understanding of requirement, I feel like the traffic will be low to this API. So let me allocate only 0.1 vCore space, and with that 0.1 vCore space, I have deployed the application. Okay, suddenly the traffic got increased, so lakhs of requests are coming. So it is not able to serve immediate. The space is less. It is not able to, whatever the request it is getting, it is not able to hold it. The space is not allowing to take that many requests. So because of that reason, it is asking for some spare time. Oh, give me some time, I will serve you. Just that message it is throwing. So where if that is the request, some user has raised this ticket. Hey guys, see, I am getting this. Always the users are getting like waiting information they are getting. Can you please look from the mule stand? So then what I will do as a support guy, what I need to do? What I need to do immediately? What is my immediate action? First, I will check the logs, whether it is going for out of memory or how it is going. I will be checking it. If I see like this type of message, simply what I will do is that application, I will just increase the space to that application. So at online level only we can increase it. No need to redeployment, nothing. No redeployment or nothing is required. We can increase the space. After increase the space, I will start observing whether the traffic is moving to that API, whether I'm able to see any success messages or not. Okay, so in this scenario, the answer is increasing the space. At MuleSoft level, we will be saying like we have to increase the vCore size. Have you got it? So this is completely related to space and completely which we need to do in Anypoint platform, right? So I will not, so in my, anywhere I have not mentioned like I'm asking Anypoint platform question, right? I definitely kept one scenario for you, and it is your responsibility to think and answer. So this type of questions may fall from the interview stand related to Anypoint platform. This can be anything. Increasing this thing is traffic is one thing. Out of memory, Java out of memory is another thing. Java out of memory also you could see. Then at that time we need to clean up. We have to clean up. That things we will discuss, but this is how the questions will fall on you. Are you clear on Enterprise Edition? Are you guys are clear?
Yeah.
You are clear, right? Yeah, Gopi, go ahead.
Yeah, for the developers, right? We don't get any free license.
Developers?
We don't get any free license, Nitya.
No, this enterprise is costly, na. This is an organization. This is what real time is. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
after like getting into a company, you won't get.
Then only you can see it. Yes. See, then at that time, this type of issues you will be seeing when you are working in project. Okay. At that time, your mind should work sharp. Okay, what might be the issue? Mostly I'm saying, na, increasing vCores is one thing. Restarting the application is another thing. This too, 100% will work.
Yeah, because this kind of scenarios it come and bottleneck.
Yes. Yeah, we will not find that much time. This is P1 issues,
It's P1.
My entire team was struggled what to do. Why? Because they are redeployed, they are doing something else, something else, something else. I simply increased the space and it gone. That's all. So spontaneous fix is hot fix, we will say, right? So still it is, you are saying any issue means first temporarily we have to increase to 3 as well. 3 also we can increase. First we have to sort out the issue, na? And then slowly after like R&D you can do it in QA. Why it is behaving like that? That R&D later on. For temporary hotfix, first immediately we have to do something. So here increasing the space, you might not be having the space immediately. You can decrease the space in our QA or dev, wherever the application you are feeling it is not using. Just release that space and increase here. So this is like hot fixes we can say. In production normally we will be seeing it. This type of things. Okay. Okay, no worries. I am not. Don't panic. See, real time issues I am discussing so that tomorrow you will not face any issues. Okay, you will not. Don't think. Just see whatever the real time I'm having. I'm sharing whatever the problems I'm coming across. That thing I'm discussing with you. Okay. Fine. And this one is trial version. Trial version, then how it works. Trial version is something like only minimal space they will give. Up to like 10 applications we can deploy. We can deploy like up to, for this trial version, definitely up to 10 applications, 10 cloud applications we can deploy it. And if we feel like any unnecessary, we can undeploy and we can reuse the space. That is a trial version. And in 30 days it will expire. But no worries. No worries. While you are creating, see, when you are creating, open that page, how you have created any point platform. Any number of users, any number of times we can use it using the same Gmail. That is another advantage with trial version. So we don't need to worry. Almost like I have 100 accounts. Nobody is going to ask me with the same Gmail ID. So you don't need to think about that. But only the thing is your applications will be there in your workspace, right? So you can, whenever it is required in that new account also you can deploy it. Here you can give the name. For example, I'm giving like I'm giving some user, like some user I'm giving. Okay. Some user. Okay. Let me give like batch 100. Email address we can give anything. Okay. Phone number also we have to give. Company name, not only your company name, even learners zone we can give. Okay, no problem in that. Okay, username you can specify, password keep anything. Okay, I'm giving my email ID. Okay, some email ID I'm giving. Let me unshare my screen as it is sensitive information as the sessions are recording. So let me give my number over here. Clicking on I am not a robot, and just I'm creating the account. I'm not doing anything. Don't worry. Whatever you guys have, oh, user already exists. So it is saying, let me create like 1000 batch 1000. Let me give the username as batch 1000. Let me create it and let me share my screen. Oh, this user also exists. Okay,
Okay.
it does not exist. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen now. Okay, fine. This is batch 1000 I have created. Okay, so in the sign up page, what you can do is, if your account is expired, after 10 days you feel like your account has expired 30 days. Then let me sign out. Again sign up. I will give the same email ID. I can use the same email ID, but only what you can do is, instead of batch 1000, what you can do is give batch 1001. That's all. So remaining all the things you can give the same details except username. Whatever the username should be different. That's all. Phone number, same phone number you can use, same Gmail ID you can use. Full name, whatever you want, you can, whatever here you are using full name, the same thing you try to keep it in your username. That's all. Another account will be created with the same details, but only username will be different. Okay, most of the people will think like for each account we need to have separate Gmail ID. That is wrong perception. Okay, that is wrong perception. Only username can be unique. Other details you can use the same details, same Gmail, same phone number. Even company also you can keep it as learners zone. Nobody is going to hit you. Okay, are you guys clear or any doubts?
And the username is not email format, right? Any string, the format.
String, normal string. Yes, it should be like user 1001 like that. Yes, anything, numbers combination with string, not Gmail.
Okay. Yeah, next time I create, don't call me. Also, I will put today someone called me and they are going all the product marketing stuff. So,
No, don't check anything. Okay, just create. That's all. Okay, fine. So use the same details, same username, same Gmail, same phone number, same company, or you just change your full name and user this. That's all. Okay, you will be logging in. This is the look and feel. Actually, the look and feel was changed recently. Previously it is something different. Okay, see, this is my account now, learners zone, whatever the account. This is my business groups here. This is my business groups. Here any number of business groups it can be. We can add any number of business groups. Okay, I will come to that business groups later point of time. As of now, if I speak, you will get confused. Okay, so here is the location, Anypoint Studio. Here is the location where you can find, and here we have to download it. Product version you can check. Only standalone you want, Mule plus Studio you want. Okay, anything we can check. Standalone, if you are taking, you have to take the version, latest version. Operating systems or Windows or whatever the operating systems you have, you can. Okay, you can provide your first name or last name, the same thing which I have provided in my account, the same thing I can do it. Okay, 1000 I have used. Okay, learners zone, we can keep anything we can give. All these are like not mandatory fields. Anything is fine, we can download it. Oh, I think they made mandatory. Fine. Okay, let me download. Now it will start downloading. Okay, this is how Anypoint Studio we will be getting. Please check your email for downloading the standalone. Okay, verification they are asking, it seems. We have to go to our email and we have to check the download link. Okay, it is saying like go to download page in the email. Let me open. It seems I have to open my Gmail over here. Okay, let me open that. Have you guys installed all these things, right?
I downloaded, I installed, but not set up yet. Nathan.
Okay, no problem. Let me. I am also opening. I'm opening my Gmail. 1 second, just I'm giving my credentials and the stuff.
Are you recording the session, right?
Yes, I am recording the session. I'm recording. I have restarted my system. Even Gmail also it is troubling me now. 1
Yeah,
second.
the link they are sending to the Gmail, your email. So
Mhm.
from there we need to download.
Yeah. I'm opening my Gmail. Okay, so that others can also see it. Yeah, let me share my screen now. Go to download page. See if I'm choosing. So it is downloading. It is showing that. See here it is downloading. Oh, wrong one I have taken. Mule plus standalone I have to take. Okay, fine. Okay, let me go again. Mule it has to support na. I have taken standalone. That's fine. Yeah.
What is the difference between the two editions?
So standalone in the sense the mule support will not be there. Integrated server. Yesterday I told you like 3 types of servers, right? So one is cloud hub, one is on-premise, one is internal server for unit testing. I told you, right? Yesterday when I have explained, I guess
Yesterday
I
video
have
I need to look into. Yesterday I joined and I
inbuilt
can
server.
see. Yeah,
Okay.
I am EST
Yeah,
time.
I will share.
Okay.
Okay, this is inbuilt server. You are in India or somewhere else?
I'm in EST, Philadelphia.
Okay, so I think it is late night for you, right?
Yeah, it is late night. That's all.
Oh, okay. I'll try to keep. Okay, give me this week. I'll try to keep at least 15 minutes before. I'll try to keep. Okay. Okay. I'm thinking everybody is India. Let me think. Okay. Definitely, I will consider. Okay, fine. So just till download, we have to download it, and after downloading, we need to open the studio, right? Let me check if we have. This is standalone. Anyhow, it will not support for mule, so just I okay, let me wait for other thing. to download. How about others? How about others? Everybody is from India or?
Yes.
Okay. Gopi, I think you are the only one, right?
Yeah, I'm the
I
only one.
am
Yeah. Okay.
I am in I
Mm-hmm.
am in PST time zone, so it's fine for me. I think Gopi is 3 hours
3
further.
hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. I cannot make more, but at least 15 minutes before we will try to start. I have to think even his late night as well, right? So I will plan. For this week, give me time. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Is it standalone or latest one?
So what was you saying in the standalone? There is no
No, internal server will be there. Yeah. Internal server will not be there. Okay.
okay.
So internal server in the sense, see, when we develop in the Mule application, we are developing one API. I want to unit test in my system itself. In my system itself, I want to unit test. So whether it is working or not. Instead of deploying to Cloud Hub, I want to check in my system itself. Then one internal server will come. If I select like Mule and Mule support. If I take like standalone, I will not have any support. I have for every time I need to deploy to Cloud Hub or on-premise server and I have to check it. That is the only difference.
So this internal server is something different than either Cloud Hub or in on premises or
Yes,
something,
yes.
right?
Yes, it comes with the design time. Simple words, long story short, it comes with the design time. That's all. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
it is yeah, Gopi.
they won't allow in the regulated environments. Like they want their
No, no,
own.
no. No. Internal server also we will keep. Sometimes what we will do is, that is another important point. For unit testing, every time deploying to cloud, it takes a lot of time. That is one thing. Another point is, we have to understand. See, directly deploying to the other environments, people will not allow us. Okay, we need to raise a ticket. If I want to say in my organization, if I want to deploy something to QA, definitely I have to raise a ticket. I have to wait for approval. Then I need to deploy. I have to test it. It takes long time, right? I cannot
Yeah,
wait that much time.
yeah, on the
Immediately I want to,
website.
I made small change. I want to unit test myself first. So definitely in the real time also, we will be not taking the standalone. Okay, so if in the organization, if you don't have any restriction, in that case it is fine. So not raising the ticket, nothing, only you can deploy it directly. If that flexibility is there, then it is fine. If that is not there, means definitely it is not entertaining. Even today also, I will go with internal testing within internal server only.
This internal
Okay.
server will be in Endpoint Studio or Endpoint
Studio
Live?
itself. I will showcase. Okay.
Studio.
So
Okay.
again, I have sorry for it. Again, I have downloaded the standalone itself. Somehow I missed it. Okay, let me download it and I will make ready by tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow same time. Okay, so 8:30 sharp we will start off. So I have to keep Gopi also in view. It is very too much late for him. So we will try it from next week. I'll try to keep it at 8:15 like that. For others, it will be convenient, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we have to think. Is that fine, Gopi? 15 minutes I
Yeah,
can
it's
make it
fine.
here. 8:15 to at least 9 I can close.
Yeah, if tired,
My
I will
timings
watch
is,
next. I'm sorry.
yeah. The thing is, like, I have small kids actually. They have to go school by 8. Then only I have to
Yeah,
start. That is
yeah,
the
I
only
know it
problem.
is a very difficult thing. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow we will connect at 8:15. We will connect, and by 9 or like that we will close. 9 or 9:05. Okay. I will keep
yeah.
everybody in mind. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
and tomorrow, any point studio, I will open up. We will open up. And if anyone has downloaded standalone, please remove it and try to get the latest one which I have explained you. Okay.
Okay.
Raz, Akila, it is fine, right, for everyone?
Yes, it's fine.
Yes. Please make it ready from tomorrow onwards. Again, we will start off our applications.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
how will you share the videos? Like every day this recording will come, or
Every day recording will be shared to your Gmail IDs. Okay. If please share your Gmail IDs so that here actually two institute people are there. One is from with reference to Navya and with reference to Mohansh. So I am not sure who is from where. Okay, I am a
Okay.
trainer. That's all.
Yeah, at least I haven't got anything from yesterday's class, so I was wondering.
No. Actually, two group of people are there now here. So first, let me sort it out. I need your Gmail IDs so that we can share in the drives. Okay.
Okay.
So ping your Gmail IDs. Otherwise, ping it here. Just I will note down and I will give to the admin so that they will be sharing the videos.
Okay.
Everyone, please ping their Gmail IDs.
Yeah, Lavanya, good morning here.
Yeah, Srini.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Lavanya, good morning. You are able to hear me?
Hey. Yes, Srini, I am able to take. I'm just taking the Gmail IDs. Yesterday they have not received a video, it seems. So let us make sure like we will be uploading it. Okay.
Yeah, I have given few of them access yesterday, like 3 to 4 members. If you are able to get the email IDs, we can share it to them today.
Okay. Just I have asked to ping me. Only two
Yeah.
Gmail IDs I got. How about others?
I also pinged Nitya on the.
Yeah, Gopi, you can drop off. No session is there. It is too late for you. Yeah, I got your Gmail. Okay. You can drop off.
Thank you.
Akila I got. And the remaining two Raz. Raz also I got. Okay. And who is left? Kiran, Gopi, Raz, Akila. And who is left? Santosh, how about you?
Yeah. We received 4 email IDs, Lavanya.
Five. Santosh Reddy is also there. Just now he pinged. Gopi actually privately he has pinged me. Let me.
Yeah. You can ping in the chat so that I can go ahead and provide the access. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, just a second. I'm taking the screenshot and I'll share you. Okay, guys. Tomorrow, same time. And from Monday, we'll try. I'll try to have at 8:15. Okay, but this week, excuse me. Okay.
Sure, Lavanya. So Monday onwards, we'll be changing the meeting link also. I'll forward you the new meeting link invite. Until and that, like we have communicated you, the link will be remain same, guys. Okay. If you are not communicating daily, the link will remain same so that you can go ahead and join the same link. On Monday onwards, as Lavanya informed, we'll be sending new invite 8:15 to 9:30. Okay, that's fine. That works fine, right, Lavanya?
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine,
Sure,
Srini.
sure. Sure. Yeah, sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll have a
Yeah.
interactive session tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.